Okay, we're visiting Lenore doing brain surgery in the kitchen. There's the brains. Oh, that's not brains, Lenore.
Broccoli.
Broccoli. I thought you were doing brain surgery. You're going to operate now on the broccoli.
And a bag.
And a bag. And she's going to put some water into it. And cook the broccoli in a microwave. Yes. The easy convenience of microwave wearing.
Waving.
What?
Waving.
Microwaving. Waving? Whacker. Well, anyway, I'll try and get a better angle. She's going to operate now. Of course, the broccoli already got some anesthesia. Anyway, it's sleeping. It's dead. Dr. Poe will be proud of you. Huh?
That's right.
Dr. Poe, yeah.
And into the bag.
And into the bag. See, into the bag. Then you add water into the bag. We'll show you how to cook broccoli. So simple. Easy in the microwave. Just throw it in there. Well, we'll get back to her. She'll be there for another, what, another 10 more minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back to you, okay? Okay, we're back. Lenore's almost done. As you can see, she's filling up the bag of broccoli. What are you going to do now, Lenore?
Give it a little bit of water and then put it in the microwave.
A little bit of water and into the microwave. That's enough water in there, in the bag. That's it. Hey, water in the bag, in the microwave. Put it down. Put the bag on top of the plate. Bag on top of the plate. Just close it up, that's all. Keep the steam in the bag. Yeah. Set a pothole in the microwave. And for how long?
I will try 8 minutes.
8 minutes. And it shall go for 8 minutes. We're steaming broccoli the old-fashioned way in a microwave at Joe Lenore's Paradise Kitchen. As you can see, it's a biggie. It's a biggie kitchen. That's it, gang. Okay, let me know when it's done, Lenore. How many you did? 8 minutes, Lenore?
8 minutes.
All right. It's almost done. Here it is. We just got it.
We're now ready.
Broccoli's done. You open the bag, see the steam come out. See the steam? It's very hot, but it's done. And that's how you do broccoli in today's modern world. Thank you, Lenore. Huh?
Oh, you're welcome.
Huh? You're a chef by trade. You're an artiste by life. Okay. That's it from Joe Lenore's Home Cooking Network. Or Network Home Cooking. Whichever one you want to look at it. Broccoli. Done in the microwave. That looks good. And I put a little oil on it. A little garlic. And I fry it up a few minutes. And wow, what a party. Thank you.